Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Gladiator rear bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Gather all necessary tools before you begin. This preparation will make the removal process much smoother and more efficient. Having the right tools at hand saves time and prevents frustration. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical components. Locate and unplug the license plate light connector. Then, disconnect the main trailer hitch wiring harness. After that, remove the 4 bolts holding the trailer hitch in place. Once these bolts are out, you can carefully remove the entire hitch assembly, setting it aside for now. Now, let's focus on the bumper mounting bolts. There are 2 main bolts on each side of the bumper that need to be removed. Additionally, you'll find 2 more bolts located underneath the bumper itself. Some specific bolts may require a T40 Torx bit, so have that ready. Double-check to ensure all these bolts are completely removed before proceeding. With all bolts removed, the final step is to carefully pull the bumper straight back from the vehicle's frame. It's often helpful to have a second person assist you with this step, as the bumper can be heavy. Once detached, gently place the bumper on a soft, protected surface to avoid any damage. Inspect the frame to ensure no parts remain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.